Okay.
Yeah.
Where?
Then what's the way me I eat dog? I feel like circle is enough an Asian or a Chinese man, I cut up dog. And mince up the dog. Then if Chinese food tastes so good, that means I will eat a dog me eat already. How much dog gonna eat so far? Only can find the video and question out. Whatever the sitting one name.
Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals from Lawson is outraged.
I was repelled. It disgusted me. It did. And watching the animal being skinned and I'm like, how can this be happening here?
Dr. Osbill Watson is Chief Veterinary Officer in the Ministry of Agriculture. He says they have been receiving reports, but no video to substantiate the claims before now.
It's frightening, to say the least. You know, we have heard from that.
Prepared for consumption. Now, consuming dog is normal in parts of Asia, particularly China and other countries. Our source says this video was recorded in Jamaica very recently. In fact, today. Our source.
Hello guys. Have you ever stopped to think about the meat you buy? Imagine walking into your neighbor butcher shop and asking for 1 or 2 kilos of meat. Do you ever ask yourself where the meat actually comes from? Or do you simply trust what's being sold to you? For most people, once they are told it's beef, goat, or another common type of meat, they don't question it any further. Maybe you have heard the saying, what do you know can't hurt you? And that's how many people approach it. Now, here is why I'm bringing this up. Report and allegation have surfaced claim that some of Chinese owner business in Jamaica have accused of selling woo-woo. You know what I'm saying. Meat to local customer is claimed that has sparked strong reaction and raised serious question among many Jamaicans. In this video, I'll show you the video that have been circulating so you can see them for yourself. After that, I'll break everything down together and discuss what this allegation mean. Be sure to watch until every end so you don't miss the full conversation. If this is your first time visiting the channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share your thoughts in the comment below. Your support truly means a lot. With that said, welcome back everyone. I am your host, Caribbean Reaction with Lil William. Let's get started.
The people them we are run restaurant and now make sure so them food where people are consume properly cooked come to the front of the fucking line. Right now, I get fed up at this blood clot right now. For you hear me a cuss bad word, they must know some. I get fed up at some of them dirty people and then look at dirty restaurant. You understand me? I said right now, I'm mad with you, brother. I want to cook people food good, brother. I don't want to collect people big old blood clot money. Me say, they look stinking dirty restaurant people. So, they say bumbo clot, When I want to cook people food good, I want people big old blood clot money. You know, people have to work hard for their money. You know, people have to work hard for their money. I don't want to be a blood clot, bowl of slush and dog food now cook the people. And just 2 people up on the road at work, people have to bumbo clot, gobble it up. Every minute, people have to live in a bumbo clot toilet. And look at dirty people where cook people food on the road. You hear me I tell you? Listen what I say to you. Wanna sort out people food better than that. Wanna sort out people bumper ass clad food where people like better than that. Some on a bumper clad restaurant. I don't know why blood clot health inspector go start lock down someone. Anytime I come in on some on a restaurant and anyone they look now way, me go start send blood clot health inspector pound. Uno place nasty and crying and wanna sell people blood clot food. You understand? They come like some of the people may buy food from afraid for bumper ass clot tune. Or afraid for top buy food on a place. Some of them can't even cook. Some of them can't even fry bumper clot dumpling. Some of the time we buy some dumpling, the dumpling them bun up. We buy chicken, the chicken bun up. We buy rice, the rice not cook good. The rice soft. Yo, Virgin, listen, my man. No deal with people food better than that. And don't make my bumper clot come back and talk about it again. Because I'm going to start show up some on the restaurant. Watch and see me. I'm going to start show up some on the blood clot restaurant. Watch me and some on.
Chinese
What is
culture
really happening
taught
in
here at the
Jamaica?
Confucius Institute at the University of the West Indies Mona campus. Dr. Feng Lei is the director. He doesn't eat dog or cats and says only a section of the Chinese population does.
Culturally, in some parts of China, some individuals, I've heard that they raise dogs as livestock, not as pets or guardian or companion. So maybe that has historical reasons.
But Dr. Feng notes the culture is changing.
It's getting smaller and smaller. I mean, these communities and individuals, because more young people, they love cats and dogs, so they are against those practice.
Cities like Shenzhen and Zhuhai in China have banned consumption of dog meat since 2020. Other Asian countries are doing the same as dog and cats are growing in popularity as pets. It's why Dr. Feng is urging Jamaicans not to assume all Asians are dog eating.
You shouldn't generalize this, It's a personal, belief or habit. I think maybe if they eat dog meat or something, it's their personal thing, not just open or just as a business,
Dr. Nicole Plummer, lecturer of cultural studies at the Institute of Caribbean Studies, agrees. She warns against condemning people of Asian descent because
that opens up a world of harm in the long run, especially for a practice like eating cats and dogs, which only about 20% of people in China, for example, are said to do. So this individual should not be seen as representative of every single person of Asian descent that you come across.
But in the meantime, this from Dr. Feng.
入乡随俗, 随俗, 入乡随俗.
It's a Chinese proverb which roughly translates to, when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
So when in Jamaica, do as Jamaicans do. That's our belief. So if there's a law or just a universal practice that dogs cannot be cruelly, treated or even, of course, eaten. So I think all immigrants to Jamaica should abide by this practice or these regulations.
Against that background, he doesn't condone Asians flouting Jamaican cultural practices and breaking the law. Dr. Plummer says education is needed to help people assimilate into Jamaican culture.
Education is important. Now, there's, of course, educating yourself, but maybe we might have to think about doing, especially with new communities that are coming in. People think of law in terms of the bigger issues, don't steal, don't kill. But they might not necessarily think of it in terms of what do we eat, what should we eat. Now, I will say that based on the fact that this person is doing it around a corner, kind of hiding, I think they're quite aware that it is illegal.
Do you know about the time when dog soup, yes, dog soup was sold in Jamaica? No, this wasn't confirmed as a factual story, but rather this was a rumor that was spread many years ago. Let's take a look at the story. First things first, You have in Jamaica people that have roadside stalls that usually sell soup. Regular soup. Could be chicken foot soup or soup with pigtail in it, or red pea soup or conch, etc. And this is a common practice in Jamaica. So for the people who don't come from Jamaica and you come here, you will see this a lot. Anyways, back to the rumor. The time is the 1980s, and this was said to have taken place on the Halfway Tree Road. By the way, this is an aerial view of Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree Road is right here. Anyways, back in the 1980s, it was said that business was booming for a lot of the soup vendors that would have sold on this road. And it was said that the business that caused a lot of people to come crashed almost instantly after these rumors started spreading about the dog soup. And the reason why this rumor started was that multiple people were rumored to have seen several dog bones close to the areas in which these people were selling their soup. After these rumors went about and started circling, a lot of these vendors disappeared. And a lot of the loyal customers which bought these allegedly delicious soup were left wondering if dogs were actually being cooked in them. And it's unfortunate because a lot of these people said that these soups were very delicious. Probably the secret ingredient. But still, it appears that they will never know the answer to this question. With that said, thanks for tuning in. Good night. Take care, and the more you know.
You understand? Oh, no, if you lift up, brother. Yo, I just want to big up to the youth where catch a China boy upon the video, you know, but me I gotta tell you this China boy. You see, if I did me, catch a killer dog and I go cook him, give people, me can blood clot tell you this. Not if a God could save you. A one big stone would have given your blood clot bigger than turn you over. One big stone. So, all of the $60 million where them a charge you, that can't rub out for what you do. You know much dog meat you make Jamaica people eat, gone on the people belly. So all of the money where them a charge you, it can't rub out. If I did me can blood clot tell you that catch you. And one big stone me again on your blood clot head side and turn you over. Pussy, you no come out there with the blood clot, nasty living. You know, lift up all the people country now, man. And now alone fix the road. You understand? All the artists me used to go up there for him birthday, you go have lunch. That means the artist gonna eat dog meat then. Eh? Me used to Vice Cartel go have lunch for all him birthday up I see him blood clot restaurant. Me no never swear a lie, brother. That means a whole heap of out here do them something there. The amount of people who are go, where you have some people at Jamaica, them love Chinese food, them love Chinese restaurant. The amount of dog meat, them and them daily, brother, I don't know. Chinese enough to go suck on the mama and lift up now. On the time done, on the time expire. Man, I go start holding and start stab up on the head side. Pussy. Make you see that yo, we ain't on a joking thing, we don't know. When you come down here, I want to take things, sir. Yo, I say when I watch the video, my stomach sick, you know, brother. My blood run cool, you know. Can just imagine how much people who not give them blood clot dog meat if you name boy. If I did me, see I do that. Me I give you one big stone and clap in the head side and turn you over. Make you go suck your mother.
Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals from Lawson is outraged.
I was repelled. It disgusted me. It did. And watching the animal being skinned and I'm like, how can this be happening here?
Dr. Osbill Watson is Chief Veterinary Officer in the Ministry of Agriculture. He says they have been receiving reports, but no video to substantiate the claims before now.
It's frightening, to say the least. You know, we have heard from that.
Prepared for consumption. Now, consuming dog is normal in parts of Asia, particularly China and other countries. Our source says this video was recorded in Jamaica very recently. In fact, today.
It's great to have you once again. If this is your first time visiting the channel, kindly don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on notification bell so you never miss an upload. Today's discussion center on report and allegations that have recently sparked debate in Jamaica. Claims have been circulating accused some Chinese business of selling dog meat to local customers. These allegations have generated a strong reaction, and many people are asking whether they are true and what they could mean if confirmed. Over the years, we have talked about the investing and contribution China has made in Jamaica, along with the support provided by other countries. However, when a story like this began to spread, they naturally raised a question and a concern among the public. Let me ask you this. If you knew a particular meat was a dog meat, will you choose to eat it? Everyone will answer that question differently because culture and tradition vary around the world. If some country food that may seem unusual to outsiders are considered completely normal, for example, different religions have different eating habits based on the history, culture, and the local customs. Likewise, there are places where certain animals are never eaten because they are viewed as companion, family members, or hold culture or religion significance. That brings up a broader question: when people move to another country, should they adapt to the food custom and expectation of the local community, especially when those customs differ greatly from those in their home country? It is an interesting discussion with many perspectives. To be clear, this video is not intended to attack or disrespect anyone's culture, tradition, or belief. Every society has its own custom, and those differences deserve respect. Our goal today is simply to examine the claims that have been circulating, those